Good morning mga kumare! For today's video, today is Monday, first day of the week! Yun! Ayan na guys, sisimulan natin ng maganda ang ating araw, parang sunny day. Charot! So ayan guys, unang-una pa lang may pila na agad. Alam niyo na, pila pa rin. So ayan na nga, pasok na tayong metro, ang ating paboritong no other options kundi metro. So from red line sa ating financial, pupunta tayong green line which is to Union. From there, mag-change lane tayo and then that's how we will go there. So yun na nga guys, ang today's outfit natin ay isang AY t-shirt at pants and that's it. So ayun na guys, pasok na tayo sa women's section. Dito sa women's section, makikita niyo ang babae dahil bawal ang mga lalaki dahil so, yan na guys, ganyan kaluwag kasi ewan ko, konti pumasok ng Monday, maraming absent, chareng. So, yan na guys. So, for today's video, makita nyo ang aking life update sa araw-araw. So, yan na guys, nakita nyo yung sign na yun naka-pink. Ibig sabihin yan guys, fine. Yun nga, charot. Yun nga, basta guys, may fine pag nakita ka or may lalaki. So, bawal. Hindi katulad ng Pilipinas. Pwede, diba, basta magsawing ka lang. May kasama kang pamilyang babae. But dito is strictly for women and children lang talaga. So, ayan na guys, alam niyo naman, no, bawal din yan pumapasok. Pero makulit sila, bahala sila pag nahuli sila. So, ayan na, pasok na tayo ng green line. So, ang daming tao guys. Sobrang dami dito. Siksikan na naman po tayo for today's video. Pero, siyempre, may pa rin tayo guys. So, yan guys. Medyo 8:50 na ata yan guys. So, mabilis-bilis ang ating takbo niyan for sure. So, hoping on time tayo. So, ayan na guys, nagpicture pa kasi, diba? Ayan naman po, diba? Video pa yan. So, pababa na tayo. So, labas na tayo. So, guys, ito na, I think 56 na oras na yan ay kami palabas. Yeah, I think 8:56. So, na yun guys. So, takbo na tayo. Ayan na. Mabilis ang aking takbo. Chareng. So, na yan, nag-eme pa nga, ha? So, yan nga guys, may iba na. So, yan, automatic nag-9, di tayo late. So, sakto yan guys. So, na sa ating AY. So, yan na, shoutout sa aming admin receptionist na si May. So, yan na guys, makikita nyo na yung mga dilag. Mag-dehydrate muna tayo, water. Then, let's start our day. Every day. So, yan na guys, ang aming office. So, ayan, kamustahan, chikadora, chikahan. So, after nyan, pawis kayo, uminom tayo ng water, start natin ang day, check the email, check everything, every day. So, yan, check natin kung pumasok ba ang mga ka-workmate natin, may mga positive pa, ano bang na-receive natin, habang nagpupunas, dumadaldal tayo. Ayan naman na nga ho. At yun na guys, at magsisimulan tayo ng meeting kasi yun ang importante of the day.
So guys, last week we had total of 33 meetings. 33 meetings. Compare with our first week and second week. That was a huge difference there. For reason, we're doing business. On top of the monthly targets, dapat lagi tayo nandun. Okay, nag-reach natin 40 to 60 meetings, 25%. I'm sure 100% meron process. Kung in-aim natin everyday, we have to make 2 meetings, 3 meetings. Let's go. Okay. Tama ba? Guys? Parang wala na. Parang pagod na kayo. Hindi ba makihali? So, yun lang guys. Always aim. Kasi, sabi ko nga sa'yo, kahit naman kay Janice before, when she started, sabi ko nung bago siya, aim lang, push lang lagi sa meeting. Kasi kung wala kang meeting, wala kang aasahan. Pero kung may meeting ka, for sure, hindi tayo mag-uusap. Mayroon at mayroon darating. So, yun naman, yung today at 11 a.m. in your office? Okay, so it's confirmed, right? For the discussion of external audit. Alright, we'll see you then. Thank you so much. Alright, bye-bye. Be, good morning ka dito. Sabi niya daw, confirm.
المشترك الذي تحاولون الاتصال به لا يجيب على مكالمتكم. الرجاء المحاولة من جديد لاحقا. The customer you are calling is not responding.
Morning, Mr. Sham.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Harley, right?
Yes, for the meeting.
Actually, I'm off today. because
Ah,
I'm out.
okay. No worries. When we can reschedule the meeting?
Let me finish because I'm having some health issues. That's right.
Okay,
So let
no
me
worries,
finish
sir.
and I will call you back.
No worries. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Magda-download, upload na tayo kay Janice O. Janice O. Override, auto-assign to Janice. Bulanon. Okay. Tapos mag-good morning ka dun sa client, ha? Kasi mo as discussed, we're confirmed today we're coming, ha? Ay, po, check ka na ka.
Message na ko dun sa miss. Kung kailan free nila.
Kay ano, yung
Universal.
namin for audit and corporate tax po. So basically, meron na po kayong auditor, tama po? Pati sa tax. For next year po kaya, open po kaya for a change? Normally, anong month po kayo naglo-look forward? I mean, naglo-look para po at least makapag-check po. Mga anong month po ba para at least makatawag po ako ng right time? March po. Feb or March. And, sir, okay lang ba makuha yung email mo para at least makapag-send po ako ng brochure? Okay. Oh,
Oh, I see. Okay, but do you have an email address?
Sure, remind my name.
A-K A-R
Sir, I believe I'm speaking to the managing director so we can discuss and share that proposal. Filing for corporate tax. And how about for audit for next year? Mm-hmm. Yes, so when should I call back to recheck for the year 2025? Okay, should I call the accountant or should I schedule you with you? October 15. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Mr. Salim. All right, bye-bye. Basically, the reason why I'm calling, I wanted to offer our services again. So I'm still with the same company, AY Group. So basically, the reason why I'm calling, I wanted to offer our services for audit and corporate tax. So I just wanted to check if it's possible we can set up like a meeting over Zoom this week, or we can visit your office if it's okay with you. Yes, or next week if you're not available this week. Yeah, sure, I can do that. What's your you're still with the same company? You're still with the same company, sir? What's your company email then? Finance at How do you spell that? Your company name? DBA. Dubai.com. Alright. And may I know which services you might be interested, Mr. Anas? Accounting services. Okay. Okay. Is it possible we can VAT and audit and corporate tax filing? Yes, all the services. Great. We can do that. Can we set up like a meeting possible we can so that we can know about your company first, and then we will be sharing the proposal after that. Probably we can do Zoom tomorrow, or when are you gonna be available? Yeah, it will be better na, sir. At least you know already the pricing, you know the owners, right? They will ask you what is this all about, what how much the pricing and all, so that you know it's already prepared. There's no problem, Mr. Anas. I understand that you wanted to discuss it with first. There's no problem. We just wanted to know your company. I'll send our company brochure. There's no problem. Okay, I can do that. It's just that I want to set up like a meeting. If it's not possible this week, we can do it next week.
This is Z from A1 Group. Am I speaking with the...
Yeah, next week, what would be the tentative time?
Sorry.
Which one? Which day?
From AY Group.
$29. Yeah, I can do it 29 or so should I put it on 30 or 29? Which one you prefer? 30. What time on the 30th?
Or it... So this is your warming.
So I'll put it on 4 p.m. I'll reconfirm by Monday. That's no problem. All right. Thank you so much, sir. I'll send you our company brochure. Yeah. Thank you. All right. Bye bye.
Okay, we will make...
Karamdaman ka, mag-rice, mag-gulay ka. Puro gulay ulam. Babalik ulit ng meat. Kakain tayo. Ba, call ka. Call ka din ba ulam mo?
Preto.
Preto. Kaya ka sa akin, be.
Ano naman din talaga?
Mag-fight tayo. Tingnan natin lasa.
Wala, nilagay ko na dito.
Okay lang. Nilagay mo ng toyo?
Oo, ganun ako, miss. Napakaalat ko talaga. Bakit lang to ako, Charang?
Hindi lang, go.
Hindi lang ate ko. Sa lahat ng torta, sa lahat ng luto na yung talong miss, yan yung na-establish ng style. Teka, miss ka miss.
Hindi lang.
Talong din. Ay, ito yung madami na ano. Baka nakalatan ka niya miss yun.
Puro ulam ko gulay.
Si Ani ang pinagpala ng lahat.
Kamusta naman kayo ni Neil Kumar, bebe?
Uy, parit ka rin.
May naman yung ulam eh. Puro gulay yung ulam ko, be. Gulay.
Ay, oo, gulay din yun. Gulay ka din galing.
Torta.
Torta. Hindi, kamis more. Sige, talong sa ito lang. Ay, may talong din siya. Magtorta na ako.
Kahapon, na-miss namin ng magkapatid. Tapos nag-ano ko lang. Nagpabili din akong gulay sa kanya. Kasi nga gusto ko nga gawin yung ginisang isda. Yung isda, tubig, tapos lagyan mo ng isda. Bagong isda. Hindi, bagong isda ba? Tapos, ilulubog mo lang yung mga gulay.
Nagulog kami? Or siyang utang Bisaya na may bagong isda, miss na.
Parang di na, sa amin, dinding style ba? Pero walang meat. Nilagay ko lang nag-pork nor na lang ako. Para medyo may lasa. Bigyan ko ng kamati. Tapos, sibuyas. Tinambog ko lang ba? Tapos, hinintay ko lang yung sibuyas saka yung kamatis lutong-luto na. Tapos, tinambog ko lang lahat ng gulay isa-isa.
Parang talagang kanin mo nun. Parang sinabaw na?
Pero walang isda, gulay lang.
Ay, ano may taguat? Langoy. Pero may bagoong sila sa... Ito wala man yun.
Yung pinakasabaw niya, tubig saka yung bagong isda.
Kawawa, may kombinasyon dahil sa Philippine power. Pagkagin din kasi siya.
Na ano ba yun?
Ang t-shirt man lang ba na siya? Your sleeve. Sleeveless.
Saka po,
Nagrally siya sa niya, pinitailing.
may item? May buhok? Alam mo naman mga Pilipino, lahat na lang.
Mag-t-shirt na lang din sana. Alam mo ginawa na Pinoy talaga. Ang dami
Ang naman ang ating everyday gawain is yun nga. So, maghanap ng kliyente. Ayan, ganyan lang lagi. Face card. Boring na trabaho. Chareng! So, yun nga guys. Ayan naman, yun lang ginagawa ko. Pinapakita ko lang yung face ko sa inyo. After yan, nagpapaubos na tayo ng oras. Hoping na bumilis ang oras. Charot. So, yun na guys. Ganda-gandahan ulit. And of course, it's end of the day. Pauna tayo guys. At ayan na ang inyong metro. Malamig pa rin ang ating daloy ng Chareng. So, ayan na guys. Pababa na tayo. And like I said, this is how we do everyday's life. So, sama ko kayo sa next time to the next video. And comment below kung taga saan ka, kung umawit ka dito. And to God be the glory. See you next time. Dito pa din sa Dubai, guys. Bye. See you. To God be the glory. Mwah.